Thank you for keeping us an up-to-date distro. The ArchLinux Tweak Tool is already up to date. A user on discussions updated me with a new announcement. So Google Gemini is no more and Google Antigravity is the next big thing. So have a look, the links are in here. The command line interface is here and an install button is there, and then this is more the app kind of thing that you can run. Up to you to decide which one. Of course it's paid, right? It's Google at some point in time, depending on the tokens. It says no more. I tested it out on the ArchLinux Nemesis script and said, look at this code, see what you can improve, and could change one thing and then you're out of credits. Right, so it is also a paid system, but if you like this one better than Claude, please be my guest. Anyway, we're here to provide you a service, meaning this is none of ours, right? This has nothing to do with Kiro. It's a button to basically say, go and install it. If it's broken, it's not up to us to fix it. You go to the AOR, archlinux.org, AOR, go to the maintainer and said, hey, we can't build it anymore. And then it's up to him to fix it. So it's easy for us, right? It's installed and then it's up to you to figure out how it works. And here as well, install, and then off you go. Removing it again. Officially, we see everything in an extra window. So it isn't a closed box, a black box that says, it's gone, it's moved, right? You see what's going on. The commands are there. And of course, study. This has, again, nothing to do with us. I chose Tokyo Night, was nice, right? Choose whatever you like. But looks great, but at some point in time, you gotta pay for it as well. Cheers.